Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso. Pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kung kayo po ay nasa Facebook at YouTube at nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Thank you for coming with us to the show. Narito na po yung aming tropeo mula po sa Guillermo Memorial Awards. Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Awards. Maraming salamat po. Naitay Kapuso, exciting ang ating hapon dahil bisita ho natin ngayon ang isa sa pinakagwapo, pinakamahusay, pinakamayaman at ang pinaka. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Paulo Contis.
Tito Boy!
Hi, Pao.
Kabang-kaba na ako.
Ikaw naman? Ikaw naman? Maraming
How are you,
salamat.
boy?
I'm good. Medyo mainit ang panahon pero nag-iingat. Dahil ito yung kalagitnaan di ba? Umuulan tapos biglang init.
Yes.
Ikaw, how are you?
I'm good. Ito, nag-iingat din. Kakagaling ko lang sa... alam mo na, sa...
Okay. Pao, diretso na tayo.
Oh.
Ika'y nasa kalagitnaan ngayon ng kontrobersiya na naman.
Lagi
In your
naman.
media conference, you were quoted to have said, nung ika'y tinanong tungkol sa mga kontrobersiya at na pinag-uusapan, sabi mo ay no comment. I would like, paraphrase so ito, hindi exactly the words, pero I'd like to make this private. Ang aking katanungan, Pao, bakit yun ang sagot mo? Why did you choose to answer that way?
I think, dumating na kasi tayo sa point na feeling ko, people think na parang we owe it to everyone to share what's happening to you. And I believe it's not part of my acting craft anymore. So, habang nag-share ka na nag-share, lalo kang pakikialaman. And respeto sa mga tao sa buhay ko, I think it's time na yung mga pribadong bagay, yung mga walang kinalaman sa pag-aarte mo or sa craft mo bilang artista, itira mo na yun para sa sarili mo.
Okay. You are basically talking about ano ang pribado sa isang public figure katulad mo, katulad ko.
Yes.
Ang tawag ni Ate Vijan ay, anak ay ang public property. So ano yung, what is private to a public figure like you?
Again, I think anything that doesn't have to do with my acting. I mean, I'm an actor. Ang pinaka-responsibilidad ko is to my co-actors, to GMA, to my bosses, na maging matino akong katrabaho, maging matino ang trabaho ko. Anything na labas doon, like my family, or anything na hindi nakasama sa pag-arte ko, I think that's private.
Alam mo, may naalala ko, Pao, na isang, somebody very powerful once said na ang tunay na kapangyarihan ng isang public figure is to be able to keep what is private to himself.
Yes.
Kasi nga, the nature of being public. But anyway, okay. Gusto ko lamang puntahan ito dahil you've been at the receiving end of massive, intense, nasty bashing. Ito ako, kasi nag-uusap tayo. Are you unbothered? If you're not unbothered, if you're bothered, ano talaga ang nakakapikon sa'yo?
Anything that has, they say about my family, yes, na medyo nakaka-apekto sa akin yun. But anything about me, ang plastic ko kung sabihin kong walang-wala. Pero ako kasi, I make sure na sa 100 na bashing, at may isang positive dyan, I concentrate on that positive. Naniniwala ako na pag may isang naniniwala sa'yo, okay ka pa. I mean, sa sobrang daming negativity sa mundo, hindi mo pwedeng isipin lahat yun. I mean, lahat ng tao, they're entitled to what they wanna say. Sometimes, sobra, pero opinion nila yun eh.
But I like that.
So, ang sa akin, hanggat may isang naniniwala sa'yo, tuloy ka lang.
It takes a lot of courage to be able to say that, di ba? Sa ingay na nakapaligid sa'yo,
Yeah.
at kung meron kang enough bravery para makita mo yung isang nagsasabing, it's gonna be all right.
Yeah, yes.
That's courage.
Yes, yes.
Okay, pag-usapan natin ang iyong bagong pelikula.
Yeah. Fuchsia Libre.
Fuchsia
Yeah.
Libre.
Showing po today.
Is it starting to show today?
Yes, yes. it's
Okay,
start-
congratulations.
Thank you very much.
You play a gay wrestler
Yes.
dito sa pelikulang ito.
Yes.
Kumusta? How was the experience?
Sobrang fun. I was able to work with the Philippine Wrestling Federation. It was so fun. And syempre, yung mga kaibigan natin, mga gay, kasama rin natin, of course. Sa industriya, marami. Mahal na mahal ko naman yan. And I'm very happy that I was given the opportunity na makapag-play. At sana nagawa ko ng hustisya yung pag-play ko bilang gay.
I look forward to watching the movie. Wala akong
please.
duda that you can play any role you want. You're one of the most brilliant actors. Pero, Pao, bilang magkaibigan, ano bang alam mo tungkol sa mga bakla?
Ayoko yung term na bakla. We're all human beings.
Okay.
Ganun lang kasimple yun. Na nagkaroon ng, hindi ko alam kung bakit babae, lalaki, bakla. I mean, it's just too much. Everyone, pare-pareho tayong nabubuhay, pareho tayong nagmamahal ng pamilya, pareho tayong gusto lang naman natin maging masaya, minsan nasasaktan. Pantay-pantay tayo. Yun lang yung natutunan ko tungkol sa mga kaibigan natin sa LGBTQ. I mean, we're all human beings. We don't need to demand respect. We just need to be respected.
It's a birthright.
Yes, it's a birthright.
And thank you for saying that.
Of course.
Maraming salamat. Pero ito, paadlib lang ng konti. If you were to tell me one thing about men, Tito Boy, sabihin mo sa akin, ano yun?
About men,
About men.
nakakabahan ako. Oo. Tito Boy,
One thing about men that I should know.
Tito Boy, mahirap mahalin ng lalaki.
I'll stop there. Pero pwede magbakit.
No,
mag-usap na
honestly,
tayo. Bakit?
I have to be honest. Nakakainggit yung ibang mga tao that they're very open about their feelings.
Okay.
Maraming tagong angst, pain ang lalaki because we always have to act strong. And sometimes you're not that strong and you cannot show it to the people.
I get it. Tatanungin ko rin ito, what it is like to be a woman. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Annalyn Bang.
Thank you.
Boy! Boy! Tito Boy!
Annalyn! Tay! Nay!
Wow!
Ano nangyayari? Sorry, hindi ako nag-brief.
Nabigla ka. Please, maraming salamat.
Hello po.
How are you?
Okay naman po.
Annalyn, doon, sa aming pinag-uusapan, mabilisan lamang. Ikaw, I'm sure meron ka rin karanasan sa bashing. How do you attack? How do you approach? How do you handle?
Ako po, minumute ko na lang.
Minumute mo?
Oo, kasi ayokong na-stress ako. Kasi I want to protect my peace. So, in order for me to protect my peace, imumute na lang kita. Para okay ako. Bahala ka dyan.
Tama. One thing that you want to tell me about women, ano yun?
Brave. Women
Brave.
are brave. Oo, matatapang sila. Kasi kaya naman naming mga babaeng maging independent. Kaya ako speaking for myself, kaya ko naman yatang mabuhay ng walang lalaki.
Ay, babalikan ko yun. Di ba?
Di ba, Kuya Pao?
Babalikan kita. Pero let's do fast talk. Oo, tingnan natin.
Go, Anabi.
Okay?
Ako na ba?
Yes. Annalyn, Ana o banana?
Banana.
Baro, saya.
Baro.
Sexy, hot.
Sexy.
Leyte, Manila.
Leyte.
Comedy, drama.
Both.
Single, ready to mingle.
Secret.
Give me a name. Artistang nanligaw sa'yo.
Masyadong marami, Tito Boy. Promise.
Artistang binasted mo.
Marami din.
Anong apelido niya? Marami, joke. Artistang best friend mo.
Si Kuya Pao!
Artistang nagtaray sa'yo.
Si Kuya Pao!
Artistang iniidolo mo.
Si Kuya Pao.
Artistang crush mo.
Crush ko,
Gigil ka, wag ako,
wala akong crush na artista.
What's the meaning of this or what's the meaning of that?
What is the meaning of this?
Oo, hindi. Open, mag-all out sexy.
Open.
Oo, hindi. Open, open magka-boyfriend ng mas bata.
Hindi yata. Ay,
Oo, hindi. Open magka-boyfriend ng taga-bubble gang.
hindi rin.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness with chocolate.
Best time for happiness with chocolates.
Every day.
Complete this. Basta kababol.
Basta kababol, bold.
Wow! Iba yung pagkasabi, no? Ito gusto ko malaman. Right at this point in your life, Annalyn, what do you know for sure about love and relationship? Ito rin ang tanong ko sa iyo, Pao. What do you know about love and relationships? You're both devoted children of your mothers. Anong klaseng puso meron kayo dahil sa inyong mga ina? Ang mga kasagutan po sa pagbabalik ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. We're back on the show. Kasama ho natin si Annalyn and Paolo. Pao, let's do Fast Talk.
Okay, game.
In 1 minute. Guwapo, macho.
Guwapo.
Matinik, maharot.
Matinik.
Gandang panglabas, gandang panloob.
Gandang panloob.
Beauty contest, talent contest.
Talent contest.
Nagpapaiyak, nagpapatawa.
Nagpapatawa.
Aktor, komedyante.
Aktor.
Road trip, side trip.
Road trip.
Guilty or not guilty, nagka-crush sa teacher.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nanligaw ng older actress.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, nakatanggap ng indecent proposal.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, umihi sa swimming pool.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, ginugol ang sarili.
Guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, gumagamit ng dummy account.
Not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty, apektado sa basher. We
Not
talked about
guilty,
it.
yeah.
One fake news about you.
Na masama akong tao.
One fact about you.
Matulungin ako.
Best gift na natanggap mo.
Respect.
Best gift you've given.
Marami.
Respeto din. Lights on or lights off? Because I know you.
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness with chocolate.
Best time for happiness with chocolates.
5 a.m. 5 a.m. Sakto! Sakto yung oras.
Ang buhay ko ay parang boxing dahil
Ang dami kong kalaban pero hindi ako sumusuko.
the title of your movie again, which opens today, is
Fuchsia Libre.
suportahan po natin
Please
yan.
watch Fuchsia Libre. Showing na po, nationwide.
Ano ang hindi nyo maintindihan sa pag-ibig at relasyon? Ikaw muna, Annalyn.
Ako, ang hirap naman, pag-ibig talaga. Anong hindi ko maintindihan? Bakit siguro mahal natin yung taong hindi naman karapat-dapat? Charot! Ay, nako, kaka-open up na
May
talaga.
bubog ito. Okay.
Nako, masyadong malalim.
So, ang kasagutan mo ay isang tanong. Yan ang hindi mo maintindihan. Relax ka lang. May pinagdadaanan ka ba?
Wala naman.
Wala
Tito
naman.
Boy.
Okay, tanong lang.
Okay lang ako, guys.
Mukhang may pagdadaanan pala pinatama sa interview.
Parang meron.
Wala. Wala po, Tito Boy.
Okay, you're okay.
Yes, I'm okay.
Okay, sige. Pao, ikaw. Pagdating sa pag-ibig at relasyon, what don't you understand?
Dami. Madami. I mean, just when you thought na things are getting better, na parang mas marami ka nang alam ngayon, tapos biglang pak, marami. And I know I still have a lot to learn about love.
Work in progress. Di ba? And that's exciting. You're learning, you're searching, and you don't stop.
Yes.
You don't stop. You continue to learn and to search. Pareho kayo devoted na mga anak sa inyong mga magulang, lalo na sa mom. Anong klaseng puso meron kayo because of your mothers? Ikaw, Pao.
I could say kasi yung mom ko sobrang pinagtibay siya ng panahon. So, feeling ko yung hindi man tigas, pero yung tibay ko sa mga challenges, I think I got from my
Galing
mom.
doon.
Yeah.
Oo.
And hindi ang daming pinagdaan ng mom ko. So, and she's here, 2 times na stroke and she's still here, di ba? So, iba yung pusong palaban talaga.
Oh. Annalyn, ikaw.
Ako siguro, pusong parang egg. Kasi itlog. Kasi it may appear hard sa outer pero soft sa inside. Kasi ganun yung mama ko. Mapagpatawad siya. She may act like she's tough na, oh, kaya ko to, ganyan. Pero alam ko malambot lang talaga si mama.
Ito parati ko itong
Mapagpatawad.
tinatanong dahil katatapos pa lamang nung ating talk special, My Mother, My Story. Ito yun, yung kwento ng nanay, kwento ng anak, kwento ng nanay sa lente ng kanyang anak. Kasi may mga pagkakataon without our knowing, without our being conscious about it, may mga ginagawa tayo dahil nakita natin sa pagmamahal sa ating mga ina. Pao, you're a brilliant actor. May role ka ba na hindi gagawin?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko pa...
Hindi mo alam.
I haven't, siguro anything, I would like to do everything na at this stage of my life. I wanna make sure na lahat ng ginagawa ko pwedeng mapanood ng nanay ko, ng buong pamilya ko, nang hindi ako nahihiya. So, yun lang yung medyo, siguro, rule ko sa sarili ko.
You're relatively new in the business. Sa Bubble Gang, ano yung patuloy mong natututunan kay Paulo, kay Bitoy? What are you constantly learning?
Siguro pagiging basta.
Ano?
Basta. Charot lang, joke lang. Siguro. Hindi, kasi siguro, ako talagang grateful ako na part ako ng Bubble Gang. Kasi parang kada taping namin, parang may na-unbox sa akin na, uy, kaya ko palang gawin to. Kaya ko palang maging ganito. Kasi every skit na ginagawa namin, iba't ibang role ang ginagampanan ko din. Kaya thankful talaga ako sa Bubble Gang. Kasi parang na-unbox niya lahat ng mga akala ko hindi ko kayang gawin. Pero ngayon, kaya ko pala.
How do you go beyond that pressure of being able to work with Paulo Contis, with Michael V, or there is no pressure at all?
Hindi naman po mawawala po yung pressure. Pero siguro, one good thing about me is I'm willing to learn. Gusto ko talaga laging matuto. Gusto ko laging, dapat mas magaling ako kesa sa Annalyn last year.
Ganda
Laging
nun.
ganun yung nasa isip ko.
Gandang attitude yan.
Yeah.
Yung parang, you go to a certain place and then you make sure that you are a better version of who you were the last time you were there.
Yeah.
At saka kung i-attack mo yan from a show point of view, ang layo talaga ng mararating mo. Dinner for 5. You are supposed to invite 5 guests. Sino ang iimbitahan mo at bakit?
For 5, si Kuya Pao.
Okay.
Si Kuya Paolo, si Ate Cha.
Paulo, dahil? Mabilis
Kuya
lang.
Pao kasi makulit.
Okay.
Si Ate Cha kasi maalaga. Si Kuya Bitoy kasi siya yung magbabayad.
Okay.
Tapos, sino pa ba? Sila Kokoy, makulit din. Si Cheska, kasi bagong friend ko siya. Yun.
Okay.
Sa Bubble Gang.
Magandang kombinasyon. Ano kaya ang inyong pag-uusapan?
Siguro, tungkol sa mga green jokes, for sure.
Okay,
Sure ako
let's
doon.
let's not go
Just
there.
kidding.
Pao, ikaw, if you were to organize a dinner for 5 guests plus you, sinong 5 ito at bakit?
Ako, sorry, hindi ko na kailangan ng 5. I just want to have another sit-down dinner with my mom, my brother, and my dad. My dad passed away 14 years ago.
That's
So, and before he died, parang I forgot the time that we were actually sitting down in one table na nag-uusap lang kaming 4.
And given the chance, ano ang pag-uusapan niyo?
Kumustahan lang. And anuin ko lang si Papa na, I'm okay. Yan.
You're okay?
Yeah.
And if you were to say, Pa, thank you, Ma, thank you, Ma, sorry, Pa, sorry, how would that sound? Sige nga.
I have to thank my mom for everything, for keeping me strong. And I would have to tell my dad, sorry, medyo simula nung nawala siya, medyo maraming kapalpakan akong nagawa. So, I know I still have time to change that. And I promise him that I'll make him proud again.
And I'm sure he's proud of you. And I'm sure he's going to say, salamat anak. Moms always say that, salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyong dalawa. Annalyn, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Pao, Salamat.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Meron ka.
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
Thank you.
Libre. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Naitay Kapuso, maraming salamat po. Sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Stay kind, make your nanay and tatay proud. Say thank you. At gumawa ng isang mabuting bagay every day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now, and God bless. Thank you. Abangan ang first parody of the year this Sunday, May 19, 6:15 sa Bubble Gang.